Morning everyone, Clint Rawls here with Delta Valves and Controls. What I got is just a rough demonstration of the, it's a 1-to-1 booster. It could be a Moore 61H booster, or this is the YT-300 booster. Basically whenever it says 1-to-1, so it gives whatever signal you put in, it puts out. The difference is the CV of the orifice, so the amount it can flow. Basically speeds up the valve's action and the exhaust action. So anyhow, we'll go through this real quick so that you guys know how to install them in the field. Like I said, this is just a rough installation for demonstration purpose only. Very ugly. Anyhow, this is a supply connection to the positioner. Normally, you would have a 67 CFR regulator mounted here, and there would be a piece of tubing coming up, coming over, and plumbed straight into here. So what you would do is you would take this booster, you would put a T into that section there, and there's a arrow on the bottom side of this booster that shows the flow going this direction. So you would plumb straight supply into there, and then still need to keep supply going to the positioner as well. And then on the opposite side, you would have the output tubing opposite of the supply coming in. You would have it going over into your actuator input. Then, in order to send the signal to it, that would be coming from the output of the positioner. Coming along here, it's basically operating a diaphragm with a little valve in here that's just, as it gets signal, it opens that orifice, shooting that straight supply straight through to your actuator. Very, very simple to install. And we'll just show you real quick. Let me swap hands. So this valve has an extremely heavy bench set. So it's not the fastest because it takes a lot of pressure to get it moving, but I'm just going to go from 4 milliamps all the way to 20. Nah, sorry, I didn't hit 20. Hit 16. There's 4 to 20. And then there's back to 4. So it's pretty quick. It's literally twice as fast as it was prior to this booster being installed. Anyhow, hope this helps with you guys in the field. But like I said, it's very, very simple. It's, you have the supply connection coming in, and it's going out. The output is exactly opposite of the supply, going out straight to the actuator. The signal it'll be sensing is the output off the positioner, going straight into the top, operating that diaphragm and that valve, stroking it. Anyhow, if you guys got any questions, feel free to post a comment, and see you guys later.